Shit! Ah, shit! Fucking spider. Alright, we get it! We get it! Stop! Stop trying to cause a drama! That's a drama bird. What do you call a drama bird? Is there a word for someone who okay. Someone who likes to cause drama is a drama queen. But is there another word for it, perhaps? Hey, no! No. Nerissa doesn't like to cause drama. What makes you say that? I mean, she's a bit dramatic, but I don't think she likes to cause drama. She's dramatic when she's like suffering, like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. But she doesn't cause drama, yeah. Oh! Give her a break.